Hello friends, welcome to Nalini Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make party starter. The name of the recipe is Reshmi Malai Chicken Tikka. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and bell icon button so that you get instant notification of all my upcoming and new recipes. Let's get started and look at the ingredients first. 300 gram chicken cut in square pieces, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons cheese, 1 and a half teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons yogurt, 2 tablespoons cream, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon green chilies and coriander paste, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 teaspoon dry fenugreek leaf, 2 teaspoons corn flour, salt to taste and 2 teaspoons oil. To start with, we'll put chicken in the mixing bowl. Now we'll put lemon juice, salt, black pepper, ginger garlic paste, cheese, garam masala, coriander green chili paste, cream, yogurt and mix well. Next we'll put oil, corn flour and dry fenugreek leaves and mix well and cover it and keep it for 1 to 2 hours for marination. Chicken has marinated well. Now we'll put chicken pieces one by one at intervals on the skewers. Prepare all the chicken pieces on the skewers like this. Now heat the flat pan on high flame. Now grease the pan with butter. Now place the skewers on the pan and cover it and cook it for 2 minutes. Now change the side and cook it for 5 minutes on a low flame. Now keep changing the sides so that all the sides of the chicken are cooked well. Yummy and delicious Reshmi Malai Chicken Tikka are ready to serve. If you have liked my recipe and if you have not already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button on this side, like it and share it with your friends and relatives. The link of my other recipes are displayed on this side for you to click and see. I'll be back soon with many interesting recipes. Till then, take very good care of yourself and your family. Thank you very much for watching Nalini Ki Rasoi.